Ooh. Yeesh. Good boy.
Not a lot of onions. Didn't want to touch them, and I spilled fish juice over myself. I'll fix it.
This camera is ridiculous. It's ridiculously overkill for what I do with Steven, but at least I can film him really, really nicely now. Look at this boy. I feel like the step up going from filming with a GoPro to this is pretty ridiculous. And honestly, it's kind of scary seeing myself be this clear. I mean, everything on this looks better than it does in real life. It's also my first ever proper camera, so there's going to be a bit of a learning curve and I'm going to need to figure out how to actually use it. Otherwise, I'm just going to completely waste everything this camera can do. But at least we can film some very HD wormies. Oh, look at that. Having both Steven and Cliffy on the window at the same time is so cute. Oh my god. Steven. A little wormy on the lens. This video was just a bit of a test with the new camera. I don't think I'm going to use this in every video. Well, I'm definitely not going to use this in every video. I probably will use this like every now and then. It's not going to be like a constant thing on this channel. I think I'm still mainly going to film with my phone. I'll probably still film with the GoPro because I like it when the videos can get like really messy and Steven can just like splash worms everywhere. Filming with this camera, I feel like I need to keep it kind of clean and like you can't go too crazy, or you'll break the camera, and it's too nice to just like wreck. Like I want to save this for like better, kind of more high production-y stuff. Either stuff that I post on here or on Coda's channel or on my personal channel, which are all linked down below if you guys want to check them out. And that's not just like a plug to get more subscribers, that's just if you guys are interested in more stuff and the other things that I do that aren't Steven. But new camera, let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you want some more HD Steven content. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Right, I just realized I filmed this entire video in the complete wrong setting. As I said, I don't know how to use this camera.